Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my how could I even mess this up? I use this line all the freaking time. Hi, welcome. Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's video is going to be a drugstore dupe. Could you believe that? Okay, like this is insane. Drugstore liquid lipsticks are around $5, $8, $7, but the ones that I have here is like around $2. How crazy. And when I show you these items right over here, you will literally scream. Now let me show you some sleek makeup liquid lipstick dupes. Here they are. You can buy this at Aliexpress. And this is from the brand KIMUSE. I don't know how to like say this. Am I saying it wrong? KIMUSE, something like that. But let me show you. Let me focus this camera first. Could you guys see the resemblance from sleek makeup? And what's even crazier is that at the bottom it says here sleek makeup matte me. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Focus, come on. Oh my gosh. Thanks guys. Every time I'm filming, someone wants to make a noise. Okay, that's what it looks like. So it has like sleek makeup underneath. Now it actually makes me start to think like, do they all came from one company and then some people just sell it for a higher price and some people are just like this and that, you know, a lot of things go in my head. So I have 3 shades. Now I'm gonna show you guys everything before I do like the lip swatches, and as I'm doing the lip swatches I will tell you guys more about it. It is already 9 p.m. and I have this since 3 p.m. Like how crazy is that? I actually have like a big like in a tumbler I have like a homemade coffee that I just made and I drank it all and my lips still looks like this. Like the lip color is still there. Like how crazy. And then the next dupe that I have over here is the NYX Lip Lingerie dupe. And oh my gosh, this is crazy. Look. Like how crazy is that? I know I have like a lip lingerie. I'll show you guys later side by side. But I don't have like the sleek one. I have not tried any of their liquid lipsticks. But I'll tell you guys more about it later. So this is the NYX. Looks exactly like it. How crazy. This is the NYX and this is the Aliexpress one, the KIMUSE one. Look at that, people. Both are made in China, by the way. And the only difference is that they are very much alike. However, the KIMUSE one is bigger when it comes to the packaging. So you will be getting 4 ml for the NYX, 4 ml as well. So I already have my makeup remover right over here. I'm gonna start with these shades and then later on I will do the lip swatches from the lip lingerie. I look like a freaking clown, Krusty the Clown, everyone. I know there are some people who can rock this look, but it's definitely not me, girl. No. That white thing around my mouth is powder because I feel like around this area I don't have any makeup anymore because of the makeup remover. The next shade that I have is called Teddy. Oh wow. This is more of like a brown, ooh, what is this? Like, more of like an orange, brown, red. You guys know that I don't like red, right? Surprisingly, I love this color. Like, I really do. I can see myself wearing this. Girl, this is hard to remove. Ooh, my lashes, they're failing me in life. No! Girl, my lips are hurting right now because these bitches are hard to remove. Like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry for the word, I'm sorry. These liquid lipsticks are so hard to remove that you really need, if you guys notice, I didn't swatch it anymore in the back of my hand because I swatched them in the back of my hand earlier and it was like so hard to remove. Liquid soaps won't remove it. I really have to like scratch my skin off. And then I remembered I have a makeup remover. Why didn't I do that? Because I'm an idiot. So moving on to the last two shades. I have the number 10. Like, this is such like a deep wine cranberry. I'm so glad that they are more of like the undertone suits my golden undertone, if I make sense, because some reds that I have tried, like for example, if it's a cherry red, it won't really, I feel like Ronald McDonald, but this one, I'm kind of like still not used to it, but I love how it feels on my lips. And you know what, I feel I can see myself wear this too. Oh, wow. No! Now we are down to our last shade. This is the number 11. So I kind of made a mistake like multiple times. That's why my lips right now looks a little big. So I kind of like just outlined it. So I'm so sorry if I look funny right now, but this is the type of liquid lipstick, like when you see me, you're gonna think that I'm up to no good. Like, I feel like it's a bad girl type of vibe. Like when I wear this, it's like so deep, so seductive. You know what? This will look great if you put on like a cranberry, like eye makeup. I'm gonna do that next time, but overall those are all the colors and I hope you guys enjoyed the lip swatches. Overall, I think these liquid lipsticks are amazing. I was actually the one who reached out to the company if I can try them because I was like really curious about it, but I'm happy that I did reach out to them because if I didn't, I will never know that these are amazing as well. I don't find them any different at all with the other liquid lipsticks that I have drugstore wise. I love it. They're very comfortable with the lips. They don't have any crazy smell. They're just $2. I don't think there's something wrong with these products. I think they are amazing and I think this is such a good find. Let me know if you guys have tried the liquid lipsticks in Alibaba, Aliexpress, Wish, or whatever. Let me know because I really wanted to know if you guys have tried any of these. The link will be down below on my description box. And that is all for today, guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of this Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload Mondays to Fridays and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!